Good day, everyone. My name is Muhammad Iksan. Today we are looking into the essential skills that define success in the modern professional landscape. We will explore how career paths are shaped by personal strength and how professionals solve complex problems in their workplace. To get the full story, let's go to our reporter Muhammad Ahyada. Hello Ahyada.
Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Muhammad Ayada. As a reporter, I will tell you all about professional field, especially how communication and skill and career path help us to gain our goal. If you want to get more detail on this, our reporter, Nurshabani Al Pauja Asma, is already on the site with our guest, with Miss Nurul Hidayati Utami. She won't tell the journey about educational field, and we will hear an interesting story about her. Without any further, let's go straight to the interview.
Good afternoon, Miss. Thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me. And I'm sorry if I have to interrupt your.
No worries, I hope, yeah.
Uh, the first question, maybe, could you
Mm,
please tell me your full name? Uh,
okay, of course, I can tell you about my full name. My name is Nurul Hidayati Utami, but you can make it easier to call me Nurul
yeah.
or everything related to my name.
All right. I'm gonna call you Miss Nurul, maybe. So, the first question is about your journey. So, maybe you could tell me about your educational background.
Okay, Fauja. Since I'm in academic field, my study journey is quite long. I did my bachelor in Mangkurat University
Huh?
and then my master in Yogyakarta State University. Now, this is the formal education that I relate to foundation what I do today. Okay.
Oh yeah, so you're studying at doctoral.
Yeah, and also this is my first semester as a
Oh,
doctoral.
first semester. Oh,
Yes, first semester as
uh,
a doctoral program in Malang.
so maybe I'm gonna ask you to the second question, like moving on to your professional life. What specific skill do you possess? Maybe like that most important for your
Mhm.
role.
Oh, okay. Actually, I'm a lecturer and teacher in schools and universities. So the first thing I have to do is, as a teacher, we have to have
Oh, as a
good
teacher.
public speaking.
Yeah,
As a
that's
teacher, lecturer, this is foundation things that we have to do is public speaking and mentoring to the student. So this is this what we have to for the first.
yeah. I think that's really related to me because
So
I have
you are
to
a teacher, right? You
because
become a teacher, right?
yeah, become an English teacher.
No worries. Become a teacher is easy,
Yeah,
but they have any challenges too.
yeah. So maybe in addition related to the
Mhm.
role, uh, what would you say your greatest personal strengths, like skills?
Okay, as of my first skill
Uh-uh.
is let me think about my skill, right? So, what that I have to do is resilience. Can I call the resilience is part of skills?
Yeah.
Because if we are become in front of the class, we don't have
Uh-uh.
any resilience to say something to the student or the parents too. It may be the worst thing will be happen. So you call that what I have a resilience that more than maybe let's say I am more resilient than another.
Oh yeah.
But it's
Yes.
just too much. But
Yes.
that's I have to say that.
All right, Miss. So, moving to the first, like,
Yeah.
so the required skill to anyone to enter become a teacher. So we have
Uh,
to do it at public speaking, right? Like,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
uh,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
all right. So moving to another question. So
Um,
I would love to understand how you handle your daily operation. Like you're in
mm,
Malang. Like,
mhm.
yeah,
Yeah, I have to study and I have to be. I become a teacher and I become a student in the same time. It
yeah,
means I have to be more adaptive. Yeah. So when I become a student, I have to be more receive as a receive for my lecturer. So become when I want become, but when I become a lecturer,
uh,
I have to say I become something like I have to mentoring them.
oh
So
yes,
the
yes,
most
right.
thing when we have to two roles in same time, we have to be adaptive, right? So
Yeah,
adaptive when you are become a teacher, adaptive when you become a student.
yeah. So even if you have the problem solving is maybe like time management, maybe.
Yeah, I have.
Oh,
Yeah, that's really. For your information, I just did my I did no I did I drew my PhD student as like a working. So I have 12 hours, eight
yeah,
maybe more than 12 hours, 8 hours to no 6 hours to become a student and maybe 6 or until 8 and become a lecturer. So
yeah.
this is how I did in a day as a normal day as a teacher and student also.
Yeah, so you have to communicate 24 hours.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
have to say that. That's right. So the
So,
weekend is time to relax and for myself.
so this is the right time to have interview right now. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm so sorry for the last. I
Yeah,
taught you in Tuesday, right? So I have to
yeah.
finish my homework from my
Uh,
teacher, my lecturer. So I just forget everything. So in today, in Sunday, we did it.
yeah. So about communication, right? So
Uh-huh.
could you describe the way you communicate in your workplace, like that?
Okay. I think that how to communicate it. We just do it communicated for
Yeah.
just like us. We did many technology. If we call it communication, yeah, just like people communicate to others, or and you have something else you wanna do,
Oh
or
yeah.
something else. What kind of communication do you want?
Oh
I
yeah.
mean that the what kind of specific do you want?
Uh, yeah, like that. So the communication skill, it will help
Mhm.
you reach your ultimate goals, right? Like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All
I
right.
agree.
So
I
moving,
agree, but
yeah. So moving to another question,
yeah.
what do you see as the major opportunities or challenge in your work?
Okay, opportunity. I thought that actually I am working as a lecturer
Uh,
and now I'm a student. So if I see how can the FKIP
oh
become something
yes.
like you, yes. So you are the product. One of the will be the product of
Yeah.
FKIP, right? So
Yes.
if we still thinking about teacher for
Yeah.
10, 20 years, even though we have AI
Yes.
or anything, not and another everything about artificial intelligences, we still have a teacher. So I thought that become a teacher won't be replaceable with AI. So you guys as a student in FKIP, you don't have to worry about if my role changed to AI. How about me? No, you don't have to worry.
Yes, that's
AI
right.
don't have any feeling.
Yes,
And
right.
teaching, yeah, teaching must be have a feeling.
Mm-mm.
I actually you have to communicate with your student. You have to say something to your student. You have to tell to your student how is your feeling that AI cannot do that.
Yes,
So
that's right.
you guys don't have to worry become a teacher in AI era.
Yeah, that's correct. Like AI's been everywhere.
Everyone, everything need AI, right?
Yeah.
So in your phone you have AI, in your tab you have AI.
Uh-uh.
Every single things in we have only have AI. So you don't have to worry, guys. Become a teacher.
All right, thank you, man. So maybe the next question, like, what has been the impact of technology in on your work in on your field of work in Malang,
Okay,
maybe in Malang?
I think there are so many things that I say about technology, right? So now we have Gojek. It's part of
Oh
technology.
yes, Gojek.
We can call a driver, drive online driver, and we don't have to bargain. We just say the label, or we have Shopee in our hand. We can buy everything from another country or another part of Indonesia. We have DeepSeek, we have Perplexity, we have everything. Even uh, uh, we have Gemini, right? So
Yeah,
you only
Gemini.
say prompting something, your picture gonna be changed or something. It's easier. You don't need to
Yeah,
Photoshop. You don't need to Canva only. And in Canva also have AI, right? So
yeah,
technology is very useful for me as a, and I thought that for the student, you guys also
yeah.
need it and part of your daily habit.
Mm-mm. We are very neat because my assignment is really full of like we have to make a project or like
Uh-huh.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, and we need friend to brainstorm, and we need AI,
Uh-uh.
right? Yeah,
We need AI
that I
too.
use it too because we don't have friend for 24 hours. We only have AI
Yes.
in our hand. We can texting or something like that, and AI will help us to find any ideas.
Yeah, that's right. So, and in the same vein, will creativity affect your work significantly? Maybe?
I thought okay, that's interesting. As a teacher, uh, creativity is needed,
Yes. Uh-uh.
needed. I think that when we are in the class, in front of the class, you cannot say only writing on the something like that,
Oh yes.
but you
Uh-uh.
can have any playing games in the
Uh-uh.
class, or we
Like,
now have, yeah, ice breaking.
yes,
Maybe
that's
you
right.
are in
That's right, man.
you
Miss.
you for Fauja, how semester you are?
At third semester, third.
Oh, third,
Yeah.
third. Maybe in six or five, you're gonna get micro teaching. I don't know
Yeah.
in English what is micro teaching.
Yes,
So
it's
it's part
marketing.
of you can explore whatever you can do as a teacher for what I have to say when I become in the class. So what I have to do in class. So yes, as a teacher, we need a
Yeah,
creativity in the class.
because the last month I've go to school, like
Uh-huh.
I have to think the creativity about what is the material I'm gonna tell to the student. Like,
Uh-huh.
yeah, it's really affect my work at that time.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and also it's very helpful.
yeah, and because the world is changing so fast,
Yeah.
what is your perspective on the future of remote work within your
Okay.
specific field as a lecturer? We,
Okay.
yeah.
It's interesting, right?
Uh-uh.
Remote, I think now as a lecturer, I did my hybrid work.
Uh-uh.
So I'm here and my student in Banjarmasin, or
Oh,
sometime uh, I I follow any seminars
oh
or
yes.
any workshop with online. I
Oh,
think that hybrids, we call it hybrid, right?
yeah, hybrid. Yeah,
So I just follow it, just like meetings. You guys maybe feel it when
yeah,
we in the class, right?
yeah.
As
That's
a
right.
hybrid, yeah.
Yeah,
your
hybrid.
your lecturer
Uh,
anywhere, and you are anywhere. You just did
yeah,
it as a person in online class.
yeah, that's right. There's one my lecturer. He taught a class, but she's in Hungary, I think.
No,
If I forget.
so
Yeah,
this
that's
not only in
so cool.
Indonesia, right? It's in European, and you are in
Uh,
Indonesian, also in in Indonesian,
uh,
and in Asia. So uh, there is no worries about far or other things.
yeah, about the time too.
Yeah, yeah, that's
because
still about yeah.
because Europe is so far away.
Yeah, Europe is so
Uh,
far away. If you have to
uh,
teach on your class, you have to in airplane. How many times they have to do? But now with hybrid, it help a lot.
oh yeah. So moving to closing, like it's health. It's almost like we love to hear about your vision for the future.
Mhm.
Maybe uh, as a lecturer, maybe
Can you repeat again? What kind of?
uh, about your vision for the future.
Mhm.
Uh,
Mhm. What I have to say with myself, or what I have to do for myself?
yes, maybe.
Hmm. And you?
Maybe like your goals, current
Okay.
goals or pets. Yeah, career goals.
Wow, it's so amazing. But
Because
before 5 years or 10 years, I gonna say that I want to graduate fastly, quickly,
yeah,
and swiftly.
yeah. I mean,
Just it.
I mean,
Yeah, you and me have the
yes,
same things that we have to graduate
yes.
fastly, swiftly, quickly, and everything. Because school is interesting,
Yeah.
but finishing school is amazing.
Yes. And this is the last question, Miss.
Oh, okay. Okay,
What
Rosa.
what motivates you to be the person you are right now? Maybe
Mm,
when you are little, you want to be like this, and then you're now a lecturer, maybe. And what
uh,
motivates it?
okay. Something that motivates. I know that I'm just a person in a far away.
Uh,
So my biggest motivation is impactful. I felt quite impactful. I know that I can't change the world, but I can change myself as a person and help my students to get their dream.
oh
So this is
yes.
my motivation to do something that I believe on.
Oh yeah, that's great. And yeah, it's finished. Thank you,
Okay,
Miss
thank you,
Nurul,
Fauja.
and thank you. Okay.
Yeah, Fauja.
Uh,
Alright, that's a great Fauza. From the interview, Miss Noor shared a fascinating story about her study field. From this, we know how impressive to see how she balancing about her doctoral study with such a resilience. And what's the interesting about this? We know how she used new technology and casual conversation to keep communication fluid in her workplace. In this, she also pointed out that technology has really changed the life, making remote and hybrid teaching is the new option for the standard classroom today. With her future plan to become a good lecturer, her motivation to reach that high level of expertise is truly inspiring. And now we back to the studio.
Wow, that's a nice thing to see it. Thank you Fauza and Ahyada for their time. And we hope can be very beneficial for you at home. Stay tuned for the other news. I am Muhammad Iksan. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.